Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle. If you guys have a Kia vehicle and you want to know what are the symptoms of bad lower ball joint, what are the signs that you have a bad lower ball joint, stay with us, we'll explain that, and we'll explain how it can affect your vehicle to the point that it's super dangerous to drive, and we're going to explain why. Make sure to stay until the end. Also, there is one thing that you should always do when you replace those things, so we're going to cover all that today. Now, before we start, let me tell you guys, we'll be demonstrating on a Kia Optima, but the video should be helpful on multiple Kia models such as Kia Forte, Optima, Sorento, Sportage, Soul, and Kia Rio as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, let us guys tell us a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We try to take them completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy parts, tools for your Kia vehicle, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and parts from. Check it out, parts for really good price and quick shipping as well. In addition, guys, if you want to save even more money and learn how to fix your car for free, check out our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. You can find so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs, guys. We have helped more than 100 million people on this channel. So let's start on it now. So, this is guys the lower ball joint out of that Kia. Okay, you can see right here. Now, some lower ball joints are replaceable, others are not, guys. Now, for instance, this one is replaceable. It attaches with 3 bolts to the control arm. On other Kia models, it could be just part of the control arm where you have to replace the whole control arm. But that's okay, because when the ball joints fail, very often the control arm will fail too. You can see that bushing is shot there, guys. Okay, you can see this is cracked. So, that's fine. Okay, you can see ours is completely shot right there. So if you need to replace ball joint, I would recommend to always go with the control arm. So that ball joint connects the control arm to the steering knuckle. It's in constant movement. Every time you hit a pothole, you steer, you turn, every time you're driving your vehicle, that thing is in constant movement, guys. It turns left, right, it goes this way, changes angles. So eventually it will wear out. The number one thing for failing ball joint will be when the seal breaks, water and dust will get inside, dirt, and it will eat the ball joint. But in some cases they get bad even without cracking the seal, so you never know. Now when they wear out, you have a play in the joint, it's not so tight, and that will result into, guys, shaking of the vehicle. You may have vibrating and shaking of the vehicle when driving. Number 2, guys, what else can cause? Okay, you may have hard time keeping your vehicle on the road. It may wander left and right, and you're kind of like fighting to keep it, guys, because your wheel will change angles, and as a result, it will be really hard to keep the car on the road. Number 3, okay, you may hear clunking noises, snapping, rattling noises, or squeaking noises out of that ball joint when they fail. So that's very common as well. Number 4, what else you can experience, guys? Excessive tire wear, rapid tire wear, uneven tire wear, because that wheel will be moving, alignment will be off. First, it will make the vehicle super unstable and not safe. Second, it will eat your tires. Now, if you guys suspect you have a bad ball joint, replace it immediately, because if they fail to the point that the ball joints falls apart, you will lose your wheel. You don't want that to happen, guys. You will lose your wheel. So we have a video how to replace a ball joint on Kia if you want to check it out. Every time you replace those things, you need to take the car for front end alignment, because things may move and that can affect your tire alignment and the stability of your Kia vehicle as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.